Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this 7th video, I would like to explain about the third skill in structure and written expression. It is about be careful of appositive. First thing that we have to know is what the appositives mean. Appositive is a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase that sits next to another noun to rename it or to describe it in another way. Yang berarti appositive berupa noun atau disebut juga kata benda dan berfungsi untuk menjelaskan noun lain. As we know, subject is a noun. That is why appositive can describe it. And the position of the appositives should be right after the noun that is described. Karena subjek adalah noun, maka appositive bisa digunakan untuk menjelaskan lagi tentang subject or noun tersebut dengan menggunakan noun juga, tetapi menggunakan kata yang lain. The thing is, the subject or the appositive is the same. They both are noun, but using different words. In order to know how does it look like, let's see an example. As you can see, there is a sentence here that is started by a noun, Sally, which can be meant that it is the subject. But after that word, there is another noun stands right next to it. It must be the appositive. Namun, akan ada tanda koma yang digunakan untuk memisahkan dua noun yang berdampingan. Seperti yang ada di kalimat ini, yaitu di antara subject and appositive. The thing that we have to remember to identify the subject is it won't be separated to the verb only by using a comma. There must be at least a word or phrase between the subject and the verb. So if you find a noun beside verb, but there is only a comma between them, then it's not the subject. It must be the appositive. Maka subjek di kalimat ini bukanlah the best student in the class, melainkan Sally. After finding the subject, the noun in a sentence beside the subject is the appositive. In the sentence, it is the best student in the class. Noun tersebut bisa dikatakan appositive karena noun tersebut diletakkan setelah subject. Yang berarti noun itu adalah menjelaskan tentang subject di kalimat tersebut, yaitu Sally, which means Sally, who is the best student in the class. And right after that, we can see the verb of Sally, which is. Please take a look at this example. Can you spot which one is the subject? Yes, it is the child. It can't be Reno. Yes, it is the child. It can't be Reno because there is a comma after that noun. And right after that, there's the verb likes. Maka bisa diartikan bahwa appositive yang menjelaskan noun, the child adalah Reno. Because the word Reno sits after the noun, the child. And now you can see another example. This one is to find the subject. What could it be? Yes, it is Reno. For the previous example, the subject started the sentence. Tetapi berbeda dengan kalimat ini, noun yang berada di awal kalimat bukanlah subject, melainkan appositive. It is because of Reno stands right before the verb without anything separates them. That's why Reno must be the subject. And the child is the appositive for the noun Reno. In reference to the examples that I explained, subject and verb can be separated by using appositive, as long as there is comma among the appositive. Yang berarti sebuah noun tidak bisa berdampingan dengan noun lainnya, kecuali ada koma yang memisahkan kedua noun tersebut. And as you can see, appositive can be put before or after the subject. If the subject goes first, then there will be commas among the appositive. But if there is one of the nouns stands right before the verb, without any comma between them, then it must be the subject. Maka appositive bisa diletakkan di awal kalimat, tepat sebelum subject. Okay, that's all about the third skill in the structure and written expression. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.